stop playing with him.
Jadavinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Hey guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Jadavinci here with this Amazon wig. This wig is from UNice hair company. I actually got it from the Amazon store. I'm gonna link it in the description in case you wanted to check it out. I got the length 16, but you guys, this hair is so bomb. Like, I've never ordered a wig from Amazon, and yeah, I'm here for it. I just literally can't stop doing this. If you guys are interested in seeing me slay this wig, then keep watching. All right, y'all, so I just put on the wig. The good thing about closure wigs is you only have to deal with the front half and everything else is pretty much done for you. This hair is so soft. Like, I literally don't have to do anything to it, and I'm so happy about that. But what we are gonna do, I'm going to just simply pluck a bit of the hairline out. Definitely optional, but I just want my hairline to look a bit more natural. So another thing that you can do, you can lightly pull the hair out with your fingers. And you gotta be lightly because you don't want to rip your lace. If you're darker complexion and you want to get your lace to match your skin, go in and put your foundation underneath, like right here, if you want your lace to blend in a bit more with your skin. All right, so it's looking better. Can you guys see the difference that pulling made? So what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go in with our Got To Be Glue spray. So if you're like a beginner, wig beginner, closure wigs are gonna be perfect. Easy to go, very easy to do. We'll just bring it forward and just kind of hold it. The good thing about this kind of unit is we don't have to worry about baby hairs. Some people don't really like baby hairs and they're like, oh no, I don't want baby hairs, I'm too old for that. And what you might have to do is spray a little bit more. So we'll just use our fan. This works fine. And you're not gonna cut off the lace until this is completely dry. Yeah, so it looks like we might be ready to cut it off. Let's go for the middle. So I just cut a part down the middle. I'm trying to like look at the camera and everything so y'all can see. So we're gonna just try to cut as close to the hairline without fully cutting the hairline off. To enhance the middle part, what I like to do is go on with powder, a little bit lighter than my complexion, just so you can actually see the powder. And you guys are gonna see, we're kind of afar. So this is what it looks like before powdering. It really enhances the hairline. I noticed that with the powder, it kind of helps to blur grids on the lace a bit more than, let's say, like a liquid foundation or a concealer. But I mean, if that's all you have, then go in with the foundation and or concealer. But if you have a powder, the powder, and as you guys can see, I'm just adding powder to the hairline, and it's making you guys saw that it kind of looked a little funny. Can you guys see the difference that the powder made? Now you can actually see the hairline from afar. I don't want to add any baby hairs because it looks bomb. Like, this is a human hair wig, but I am getting some shininess to it. However, when it comes to me and my wigs, I normally put oil on it so I can actually have that natural shine. My hair looks like I just walked out of a professional, you know, salon, and this hair is giving me that. Like, this hair is a whole vibe. This is not a lace front wig, it's a closure. And what you can do is kind of take the hair and swoosh some baby hairs if you're, you know, I'm gonna say if you're self-conscious about the hairline. Whenever I'm wearing a wig, I don't if I feel confident and cute in it, nobody is gonna say. So guys, this is the final look. I did not flat iron it. I did not curl it. This is straight out of the box how the hair is looking. And when I tell y'all, I'm having so much fun just doing this to my hair. This is so cute. I feel like this is an everyday wig, and I'm gonna get good use out of this hair. It's not too long. It looks realistic. The color is just so pretty. The wig specs are in the link below, so be sure to check it out if you guys are interested in this wig. This wig was dummy cheap to me. I feel like a person who buys wigs all the time, $100 for a 16-inch wig that looks like this is this quality. It's soft, it's beautiful, the color is bomb. I feel like it's worth the money. However, I want you to know that if you don't like classic middle parts, you might be able to shimmy the wig over to the side. Otherwise, you cannot part the hair in any other direction but where it's parted. So if you're looking for an easy kind of throw on wig, an easy throw on wig that you can just hurry up and put on and it enhances your look like super fast, this wig is going to be perfect for you. But I feel like this wig is perfect for beginners or anyone kind of intimidated by wigs, because you literally don't have to do much. I did not have to pluck out the hairline, but I did because I wanted to see the full type of customization that I could get, but that's all I did. And then I put some powder down the hairline and kind of like around the hairline, and yes, this is cute, perfect for girls and guys out there who don't like baby hairs, because baby hairs aren't for everybody. But yeah, I'm really digging this hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up if you guys are interested in this wig. I'm gonna link it in the description. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye.
If another motherfucking bitch try me, they gon' have to find me. They gon' be on an IV. I'ma have them on the run like J and Beyonce.